Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be looking at this stock, Kapa, a stock which we are seeing do monumental things over the last couple of days. Now, so far as you can tell on the screen, we are still in the pre-market trading hours, but even here we're up by 6.4%. And at the highs of the pre-market today, we saw even higher highs than that. I think things here are lining up absolutely perfectly for another very interesting day. And do bear in mind, this comes after a day on Friday where we saw the stock go absolutely crazy, up by 10%. Realistically, in the last few days, this stock has just been taking a continuous run, and now we are coming up to very important levels to watch out for with this stock. I'll be giving you all of my thoughts and opinions on it over the course of this video. As always, guys, remember, leave a like and subscribe if you do enjoy, but at the same time, this is not financial advice, and I thoroughly recommend that you do your own research, as I am not a financial advisor. Now, to understand this one briefly, we know that this one's running from 43 cents all the way to where we are right now, well in excess of $1. Now, an issue that we have seen recently, or previously I should say, is getting to levels around, I'm going to call it 182, and just not having the ability to stick up there. Now, however, we are seeing things play out differently. Yes, we saw this massive run from, we saw a steady breakout really, from 45 cents all the way to the 69 cent range before going absolutely crazy and shooting well in excess of 150. Now, from there and since, we've been selling off. We've seen lows right down at 82 cents again. However, now we've found that time to, cool off, and of course the stock has been seeing a steady run. Now, I think today's pattern, or Friday I should say, is perhaps just a sign of what you may expect, a sign of strong momentum still being here in this stock, and a sign of potentially very promising things to come over the course of today. Now, very simple for this one, guys. I know we're sat at 183 at the time of filming, but it's about seeing if we can hold on to this. Again, you can see the pre-market now is touching key levels of resistance in the past. A push above this and maintenance above these levels would absolutely, in my head, signify strength going forwards into the rest of the day. We're really trying to establish supports well above 185. That would be absolutely critical. If we are not able to see this, I think our next level of support could be the high that we saw on Friday, around 172. Ultimately, though, today, we want to remain above that, right? Anything above 172 for me is a win. Be it a relatively flat day, a slight decline from the pre-market highs that we are seeing, we're simply trying to establish some healthy consolidation and support here. Again, this is a stock which is up huge, and we want this to be a sustainable rise. That is absolutely a possibility, but it very much depends on what happens over the course of today. Again, we are seeing key indicators like the RSI now coming to a very much an overbought territory. It would not be the worst thing in the world to see this one see a relatively flat day, a slight decline from market open, but again, if we go up, I can't complain, right? Eventually, though, I think we need to be careful and obviously consider how much this stock is up. Establishing the support is the next job, but I think today could be a very promising one. Just my personal thoughts on it, guys. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I hope I'll see you again soon. Goodbye.